all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today's video is going to be a lovely collection which you really like a lot. It's a semi-Mysore silk sarees. In this time we have got some different collections. We have got some jari checks, we have got some printed, we have got small border, big border, contrast borders, all different types in the semi-Mysore silks, very budget friendly sarees also. And regarding the maintenance of these sarees will require a dry wash for the first time, and after that you can do a mild hand wash. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 I repeat, it's 93848 and without fail, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. Very beautiful semi-Mysore silk saree in contrast design, a beautiful peacock green shade with a contrast navy blue border. We have a small elephant pattern design in the border also. Very cute design, looks really nice. Looks very much like a pure Mysore silk saree. The pallu of the saree is this. The blouse of the saree is a contrast blouse in blue, and the price of this saree is 880. In the same pattern, it's a very beautiful navy blue with pink color combination with small zari border, elephant pattern design. Very pretty contrast borders. The body of the saree is like this. The pallu is in contrast pink, and the blouse is also in contrast pink, and the price of this saree is 880. The next color is going to be a very pretty bluish green shade with a contrast navy blue border. Very pretty combinations, all the sarees. It's all like pure Mysore silk colors. So this is how the body looks. The pallu of the saree is again in navy blue, and the blouse is in contrast blue. The next shade is red, nice red. It's not even too bright a red, very nice red with navy. It's more like a dark brown border. Looks like black, but it's more a dark brown border, dark brown. So this is how the body looks. The pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is in contrast brown. The next color is off-white with maroon combination, and the border is in different pattern design. Very pretty colors. This is more like a darker sandal shade than off-white. Is more like a sandal shade, and the pallu of the saree is in contrast maroon with the blouse is also in contrast, or I'm just checking whether it's running or contrast. Yeah, it's a contrast blouse. The next is going to be slightly a bigger border, a manga pet border, copper sulphate with a navy blue design, navy blue border. A nice zari border. This is how the body looks. The pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse also in contrast blue. This is the blue, and the price of this saree is 880. The next is going to be pink, nice pink with navy blue border, a manga pet border. Looks different. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is this. The next combination is a very different combination, more of a dark mauve shade with navy blue. Very pretty colors, lovely shades. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is in contrast navy blue, and the price of this saree is 880. A very beautiful blue with navy blue combinations, more a peacock blue with complete zari checks in the body. A very pretty semi-Mysore silk saree which looks so much like a pure Mysore silk. Looks very neat and classy, beautiful design. The zari checks looks really nice. The pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is in contrast navy blue with checks, and the price of this saree is 930. In the same pattern, it's a very lovely navy blue with pink color combination, a typical Mysore silk color combination with zari checks. Looking really classy and pretty. So this is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is in contrast pink This is the pallu of the sari. The blouse is also contrast pink. The next color is a very pretty peacock green with navy blue combination. Small border with zari checks. So this is how the sari looks. And the pallu of the sari is this. The blouse is also in contrast. All the blouses for these saris are in contrast as per the pallu. The next is a nice pink. It's more of a tomato pink with navy blue combination again with jari checks. Lovely shade. So this is the body of the sari. And the pallu of the sari is in contrast navy blue with a contrast blouse. The next color is a lovely parrot green with brown combination. Very, very different combination again. Nice brown combination with jari checks. This is the body of the sari. And the pallu of the sari is in brown. And the blouse is also in brown. The next color is mustard with maroon. Very pretty mustard with maroon with jari checks. This is the body of the sari. And the pallu of the sari is this. Than a maroon, it's more like a darker rust shade also, I could say. The next is a nice Rani pink with navy blue border. The body is completely jari checks again. The body of the sari is this. The pallu of the sari is this. The blouse again is in contrast. The next is a chutney green with maroon combination. Chutney green. More a rust combination again. The border is more of a rust. Beautiful chutney green. And the pallu of the sari is this in rust shade. Dark rust. The next is a very pretty color. Nice chili red with dark brown border contrast. The body is completely jari checks again. So this is how the body looks. And the pallu of the sari is this. The blouse will be in contrast brown. And the price of this sari is 930. A very pretty pink color semi-Mysore silk sari with small zari border. More of a small manga paid design on both the sides, and the body is completely plain. If you contrast with a nice contrast blouse, it will be very pretty. The pallu of the sari is this, a line pallu with a running blouse for this sari. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of this sari is 800. In the same pattern, it's a very beautiful peacock blue shade with a small zari border. I'll just show you the colors alone in this. All the patterns are going to be the same. So this is the body of the sari. Very beautiful blue shade. This is the body of the sari. The next is going to be navy blue with small zari border again. Beautiful navy blue color. All these saris are going to be only line pallus. This is the body of the sari. And the pallu is going to be a line pallu. All the saris carry running blouses. The next is going to be nice grey, light grey with small zari border, different shade again. This is how the body looks. Beautiful shade. The next is going to be mustard with small zari border. This is how the body looks. Next is going to be red, nice chili red with small zari border again. If you actually wear with some nice contrast brocade blouses, it will look awesome. Beautiful red shade. Next is going to be tomato pink, a very pretty tomato pink with small zari border again. All these saris are priced at 800. This is the body of the sari. The next is going to be nice peacock green shade, sapphire green, exactly to say. This is the body of the sari. The next is going to be dark maroon shade or slightly a lighter brinjal shade. in between shade of that. This is the body of the sari. The next is going to be a very pretty green, chutney green with small zari border. This is the body of the sari. And the next color is blue, nice copper sulphate blue with small zari border again. This is the body of the sari, and the price of this sari is 800. Very pretty printed my semi Mysore silk sari, lovely mustard color with small zari borders on both the sides. Beautiful print running through the body of the sari. The pallu of the sari is this, very pretty pallu with a nice plain blouse, and the price of this sari is 750. And the same pattern, it's a beautiful nice parrot green shade with a lovely print with small zari borders. These saris look more like a pure printed silk actually. Very pretty ones. All the semi Mysore silks are just lovely saris. Beautiful green. The next color is going to be grey. Nice grey with small zari border. This is how the sari looks. The body of the sari is this. The pallu of the sari is going to be like this. And the blouse will be a plain blouse. It's going to be a running blouse. You can either use it or you can even wear it with the sari. It's up to you. The next is going to be a nice dark, it's more like a dark Ananda blue shade with a beautiful print with small zari border. This is the body of the sari. And the pallu of the sari is this. The price of this sari is 750. The next is going to be pink, more of a magenta shade pink, not too shocking pink, more like a magenta pink. This is the body of the sari, and the pallu of the sari is this. The next is Ramar blue. Ramar blue with small zari border. The lovely print. Very pretty ones. The next is going to be off-white. Off-white with small zari border. With a nice print again. This is the body of the sari. And the pallu of the sari is this, a printed pallu. And the next shade is a nice dark tomato pink. Very lovely shades, and the price of this sari is 750. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.